Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we will discuss the ATM Pure Breakout Zone Indicator. Alright, now if you are an experienced trader, you will know that breakouts are a crucial part of Forex trading and the ATM Pure Breakout Zone Indicator is a custom indicator that aims to simplify the process of breakouts for traders. Okay. However, if you are a beginner to trading, then you might want to pay attention as we discuss an indicator that aims to make easy, right? It aims to simplify a popular concept known as breakout in the forex trading market. Okay, so let us add the indicator to the chart. The ATM pure breakout zone indicator. So this is how the indicator looks like. As you can see, the indicator automatically highlighted a zone, an important zone that requires attention. What this means is that if the price should drop below this point, we are going to have a bearish breakout. All right, you can see that the indicator forms a zone, right? It forms a zone where if price breaks below the black line, we have a bearish breakout and we should be looking for sell opportunities in that case. On the other hand, if the price breaks above the bearish, if the price breaks above the black line above, this should be a resistance, this should be a support. So if the price breaks below this black line support, we'll look for sell opportunities. If the price breaks above this black line resistance, then we should be looking for buy opportunities. All right, so there is no need for guesswork because the indicator does the work for you. But now remember that no indicator is 100% accurate. All right, no indicator is 100% accurate. So it is important to confirm trades, right? Confirm signals. For example, in as much as the indicator highlights possible breakout points for us, it's important if we can also confirm those points with other tools, one of which is trend lines. Now, if you look closely, you will notice that this indicator, the support zone given by this indicator, coincides with the support zone given by this trend line. So you can see that there is a confluence around here, because as the price is currently around this trend line, it shows that we could have a bullish continuation because we have a bullish trend around here. You can see marked by higher highs and higher lows. If we have a breakout below this point, then we would likely have the price continue downwards. On the other hand, if price should climb back up to this point and break above this point, we will likely see the price continue upward. Okay, so basically what you should do when you are trading with the ATM pure breakout zone indicator is wait for a breakout. It's as easy as that. All right, you just have to wait. Okay, this indicator is one that requires patience. All right, you don't have to do anything when the price is still within this zone. You don't have to do anything at all. Just wait for a breakout, whether it's upward or downward. then whenever a breakout happened, I'm just going to explain what you should do next. Whenever a breakout happens, you should wait for a retest. For example, if you have a breakout to the downside, you should wait for a retest. The price should get to the breakout point, or at least close to the breakout point, and then a continuation to the downside. That is if we have a bearish breakout, right? On the other hand, if we have a bullish breakout, you should wait for the price to give a retest and then continuation to the upside. Now, whenever the continuation happens, it is at that point that you should now enter a sell trade, because the confirmation is seen in the retest. All right, whenever we have a bearish breakout, the confirmation of that breakout is seen in the retest and continuation. So if you have a bearish breakout, wait for a retest to happen, and right after that retest, when a continuation pattern begins, you can go ahead and enter a sell. If you have a bullish breakout, wait for a retest, and then when a continuation pattern forms, you can go ahead and enter a buy. Now, in addition to that, you can actually decide to also use other indicators to confirm your entries and your exit. For example, let's say we want to make use of the relative strength index. Whenever we have a breakout, we should be looking out for the price being the RSI value being below 50, all right, and trending downwards. Okay, it has to be trending downwards, showing that there is sell momentum. On the other hand, if we are to have a bullish breakout, we should be looking out for the RSI value being above 50 and trending upwards. Okay, you can actually use any indicator of your choice to confirm the signals given by this indicator. Basically, the signal comes when there is a breakout. All right, there's no other signal than that, okay, that you should be watching out for. Okay, and you can see that the indicator actually tells us where the low price is and where the high price is for that particular asset. And as we can see, the low price that this indicator mapped out is 2638.49. This is the XAU USD pair. All right, and the high price is I think 2649.23. Okay, so the indicator also tells us where the high price is and the low price is, in addition to the zone displayed by the indicator. All right, so always ensure that even when a breakout occurs, that you employ proper risk management. All right, because it is paramount. It is necessary that after a breakout has been spotted, when you want to enter a trade, you use proper risk management. All right, do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right, in addition to that, ensure that you use good risk to reward ratio. For example, if you are risking $1, your profit target should be at least $2. Okay, so you're risking $1 to make $2 minimum. So that is going to give you a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, 1:2. All right, so ideally your minimum risk to reward ratio should be 1:2. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.